나른한 나 위에 그대 자랑하는 건 아니고 약간은 못 받아서 미안해 친구를 만나느라 샤샤샤 만나기 좀 그렇고 미안해 좀 이따 연락할게 저러지마 할만하지 않아 부르게 해줄게 baby 아직은 좀 일러 내 맘 듣긴 일러 하지만 더 보여줄래 Try to baby 좀 더 힘을 내 여자가 쉽게 마음을 주면 안 돼 그래야 네가 날 더 좋아하게 될걸 태연하게 연기할래 아무렇지 않게 내가 널 좋아하는 맘 모르게 Just get together and then baby time I need you 안절부절 목소리가 여기까지 들려 땀에 젖은 전화기가 여기서도 보여 바로바로 대답하는 것도 매력없어 메시지만 읽고 확인 안 하는 건 기본 너무 심이 나고 이러다가 지칠까봐 걱정되긴 하고 안 그럼 내가 빠질 것만 같아 걱정을 못해줘서 미안해 친구를 만나느라 샤샤샤 만나기 좀 그렇고 미안해 좀 이따 연락할게 later 저러지마 어디 가지 않아 헤어질게 너의 baby 너무 빨리 싫어 성의를 더 보여 내가 널 기다려줄게 Try to baby 좀 더 힘을 내 여자가 쉽게 마음을 주면 안 돼 그래야 네가 날 더 좋아하게 될걸 태연하게 연기할래 아무렇지 않게 내가 널 좋아하는 맘 모르게 Just get together and then baby time 또 네가 좋아 상처 입을까봐 걱정되지만 여자니까 이해해주길 마음 들킬까봐 고민아 지금처럼 조금만 더 다가와 그리 오래 걸리진 않아 Just get together and then baby time Yeah, real man, yeah Gotta feel I'm like a real man Real man, yeah Real man, yeah Gotta feel I'm like a real man
I'm a vlogger on YouTube.
Try baby 좀 더 힘을 내 여자가 쉽게 마음을 주면 안 돼 그래야 네가 날 더 좋아하게 될걸 태연하게 연기할래 아무렇지 않게 내가 널 좋아하는 맘 모르게 Just get together and then baby time
You guys scared the hell out of me. I got a heart condition here and I see you guys running. I'm like, oh Jesus, no.
Yeah, it's just a prank. Just a prank, man.
Okay. Oh my God.
Was everybody else in there scared?
Yeah, they all backed up against the wall. They all ran away.
Like, we only got one guy in there, a bunch of girls, and I'm the only girl up in there. I'm like, oh God, no.
How y'all doing? This is a prank for our YouTube channel. We're just messing with y'all.
He was for real scared. What was you guys' thoughts?
Y'all watch YouTube? Yeah. Y'all was all scared? I know y'all know D&B, Emmett Vaughn, D&B, all the Chris and Queen, all the... Yeah. We just kind of worried about you. We thought you might try to help them hold on.
When I saw his hat, I knew we were going to be all right.
Oh, he said his hat was too fake.
All right, y'all take it easy.
Huh? Bros for real. Bros for real.
Bros for real.
Yeah, and they're Emmett Vaughn.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Yeah. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey. Here.
They was just like, bruh, I don't know what to think.
Should we go in there?
Yeah, y'all can go ahead and tell.
Hey, we was right. This is a prank, y'all. Just so y'all know. It was a prank. How y'all doing? All right.
Just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all.
So what's up, y'all? I hope y'all enjoyed that prank. I want to thank my man Corey from Bros for Real. My man Vaughn from Emmett Vaughn.
We got a lot more coming for y'all. Got a lot more pranks. I'm gonna be pranking Janae, the whole family, everything is going down. But I want to make sure y'all, if y'all haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment. I don't care if you want to hate, you can hate. But hopefully y'all like what we're doing, okay? Their descriptions is going to be, I mean, their channel links is going to be in the description. Make sure y'all show them some love. Y'all already know Emmett Vaughn, Brothers for Real is on the rise. Make sure y'all show them some love, all right? Peace.